English speaking practice for beginners. Where had you gone?
I had gone to the market.
Who went with you?
My mom went with me.
What did you buy from there?
We buy some clothes from the market.
How did you all go?
We went by walking.
How did you arrive when you came back?
We came back by bus.
Where were your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night.
What did you do yesterday?
I played tennis.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I cooked pasta.
Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it.
What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7 am.
Did you visit a friend last week?
Yes, I visited my friend.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cereal.
Did you play games with your siblings?
No, I didn't play any games.
Where did you travel on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour.
Did you take a shower this morning?
Yes, I took a shower.
What movie did you watch last weekend?
I watched a comedy film.
Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in the room.
Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit any museums.
Do you read a book before bedtime?
Yes, I read the novel.
What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I had a sandwich.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
We went to the restaurant.
Did you listen to music in the car?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs.
What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful sunset.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim.
Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store.
Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed at home.
Did you visit a relative over the holidays?
No, I didn't visit any relatives.
Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook.
What did you play at the playground?
I played on the swings.
Did you visit a farm with animals?
No, I didn't go to a farm.
Where did you go camping with friends?
We went to the mountains.
What did you do in the gym?
I exercised in the gym.
Where did you play sports in the college?
I played sports on the fields.